In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use tilt shift filter on Snapseed. So the process is really simple and straightforward, so let's get right into it. So first thing first, we gotta click on the plus icon right in the middle, and we have to choose an image first. So let's choose this random image, and right after that, you wanna go to the tools option right in the middle. Here you're gonna scroll just a little bit until you find the lens spiller. We wanna choose that, and right after that, you're gonna see an option right next to the X button at the bottom. You wanna click on that, and it's gonna, it's not gonna be a circle, but it's gonna be horizontal. And after that, you're gonna use your two fingers to adjust these bars to however you like. And after that, you have to press on the blue dot right in the middle to adjust the blur. So like I wanna focus on this water bottle, and then while you're holding down, when you slide left to the right, you can increase or decrease the blur strength. So you have to adjust that, and then 1 second. After you've done that, you want to click on the confirm button located at the right bottom corner like this, and yeah, this is how you set the tilt shift filter in Snapseed, guys. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.